Are your ceiling tiles sagging, stained, or broken? Is this affecting your store's image? Mr. Handyman offers a solution with our expert ceiling tile replacement services. We specialize in high-quality ceiling tile replacements, professional services, and quick execution. Enhance your store's aesthetic, ensure safety with our quality repairs, and save your precious time. Mr. Handyman completely transformed my store. Quick and high-quality work. Harbor Freight Tools Manager. It's time to rejuvenate your store with Mr. Handyman. Call now at 405-293-3911. Act now and reserve a slot for our sought-after services. Limited availability. Call 405-293-3939 some double euro. At Mr. Handyman, we're committed to exceptional service and solutions for your business's needs. Don't delay. Revamp your store with Mr. Handyman today. Call 405-293-3911 and experience superior service.